Hey guys, it's me, Aaliyah, back with another video. So, in this video, we are going to play Floppy Bird. I love me some Floppy Bird, but it gets addicting, but I suck. I cannot get past I cannot get past 3. And before the end of this video, I will get past 3. I will at least get to 4, no matter what I do. See, can't make it past 3. Sometimes not even past 1. Oh, come on. Every single time. Never win. There's no winning at all. Gosh. Oh my God, yes, I made it to 5. Okay, so I'm back. And I'm almost on a dead battery, so, see. Almost on a dead battery, so. To hurry this up, but, yeah. Oh my gosh, I keep saying this. Gosh, I suck. Let me just go plug it in. So I can put it like that. So, like perfect idea. Duh. Anybody would think of that. Okay, so we are now plugged in. So let's get it. See, I think I'm winning, and then I'm not. I keep dying. Oh my God, I'm gonna. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, this is like really addicting. Like, oh my gosh. Alright. So, one more round and then I'm gonna go. Okay, so one more round and then I'm gonna go. One more. One more. Okay, now I'm done. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Hope you liked the video. And big thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, still give it a thumbs up. So yeah, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. So bye guys. Look out for my next video.